Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm here for the third Friday of Sherry and Susan's Crafty Collab. So this is the last one in this series, in this collab, but Susan and I will be doing other collabs and we'll let you know, so stay tuned for those. But yeah, this is the Beads, Charms, and Clasp week. It's not too late to join in, even if you haven't done any of the others. And you can use any combination of these items. And I would say paper clips could be included in that. Just it's open to interpretation. So this is kind of a combo video. I'm also going to do a demonstration of using the charms that I picked up at Panda Haul Selected. The Christmas charms here that I showed you the other day. So I wanted to show you several ways that I plan on using these. And I've already done a couple things here, so I'll show you, and then we'll make one together. We'll make something together. This is my December daily. Of course, we like to put charms on the strings in the middle of our signatures. Let me show you the plain one and how plain it looks without any beads or charms. So here's just the strings plain, just tied, and you know, that's sufficient. But look how much prettier with charms. A little bell and a little Christmas present. Isn't that so much prettier? So that's one way I'll be using these charms. I made a little simple little bead dangle here, and I can put this on something with a paper clip, attach it to, you know, the trim or the tab or fabric in my journal or a journal, and just put a little bulb pin or a paper clip or even a coilless safety pin through this little loop at the top here, and then just hang this little charm on a page in my journal. And isn't it cute? I put some seed beads on an eye pin and then a little jump ring on the charm and attach the two, and it's ready to go. So if I were to put a little bulb pin on here, let me grab one. Let's see, I have all my little beads and things here in my little organizer compartments here. So yeah, I just want to grab one of these and show you how easy it is now to go ahead and attach this. I have the little loop at the top that I made. The loop on the bottom was the one that was in the eye pin, and then just there you go. It's ready to attach with my little bulb pin to the trim. So isn't that pretty? I just love that one. It's so cute. I just got some green seed beads. It's so simple but so pretty. So that's another way I'll be using them. And then I made this one. This is a wrapped paper clip. So I had some scrap fabric from the tassels I made the other day, and I attached here with a jump ring this little Santa charm, and on the top I have another bulb pin to attach it again to some fabric trim or tab, fabric tab or something like that in a journal. And isn't that cute? So let's make one of these. That was 2 layers of fabric on that one. I think I'm going to do 1 layer of fabric, and I think I'm going to do a red one. Well, let's do one of these poinsettia fabrics. This one's a little thicker. Let's do this one. So I just start off, put my fabric in between the little, you know, the little loops of the paper clip. Bring it down. Now, so like the little loop here is kind of holding it in place, so I don't really feel like I need any glue at the beginning, because this is going to be wrapped tight. I just wrap my fabric around all the way up. Let's see if it's, let me push it down a little bit though. Let me start over. I think I want a little lower there to start. I just decided. Okay, so again, fabric in here. Make sure the right side is out. This fabric doesn't seem to, well, I guess it does. I wanted this little fabric to start a little lower here on the bottom. and wrap up and go all the way to the top, and then leave a little loop at the top in your paper clip like that. And I think I will bring it around and just cut off this last little piece here, just enough to wrap around. Cut it at a little angle so it's kind of pretty. Put some fabric tack on here to hold everything together. I'm going to put a little bit, you know, right here on the inside, little, right by the paper clip, right there, and a little bit on the outside of this fabric here on the edge. So you have those two little bits of fabric tack that's going to hold this all together. And fabric tack is of course made for fabric. Fabric tack. I'm sure most of you have heard of it before, of course. But in case you haven't, it's just this little, I get it at Walmart. Fabric tack. It comes in 3 different sizes at Walmart, but they don't always have all 3 sizes in stock, at least at my Walmarts. So there you go. Simple as that. That glued together really nicely. And then you're ready to put on your charm. So let's grab one. Let's see. I did a Santa here and a Christmas tree. Let's pick out a little, I don't think I have any flowers in here. I really like this little reindeer here. Let's do that one. A little red Rudolph here. Isn't he cute? So I'm going to put a little jump ring on him. And things are sticking to my fingers because I have glue on them now. Got all my little jewelry tools here. All right, so I'm just going to open this up. Just trying to figure out where the middle of here so I can get this in the right spot. Open this up, and probably most of you know how to do this, but you don't pull, you kind of twist your jump ring like that. Just open it up enough to get it on here, and then put your little charm on there. What did we say? What I do with the, here it is. Little reindeer. Okay, and then we want to close it up the same way we opened it, in the opposite direction. Is it closed? Let me see. Okay, I think we got it. By George. I think we got it. Wow. First time's a charm sometimes, huh? I usually take like 2 or 3 tries, so yay. But isn't that cute? So adorable, right? Let me show you. Isn't that pretty? So fun and easy. So let's get a little, what do I do with my bulb pins? I keep putting them away. I should keep them handy. Here they are. Get a little bulb pin. Run that through the top of the loop here, and you are good to go. Good to attach that to your journal now. Isn't that fun? So you could make a bunch of these quick as that and use them in your journals. Stick them in your Happy Mail as a little thank you in your orders. You know, whatever you want to do, but so cute and fun. And I love the wrap paper clips. They're just something a little different, you know what I mean? It's not the same old, same old. So that's my ideas for right now. Of course, there's lots of other things you can do with charms. But that is going to be what I show you today. So I did the 3. Let me move this. I was using that for gluing. We did this one together. I did this one before. And this one before. And of course, I showed you the ones in my journal on the strings. So isn't that fun? All right, so thank you for watching. I will have the links for the Panda Haul Selected products in the description box, and their coupon, and their website. So just click on my links if you'd like to go over there and visit them. That way they will know you came from my video. And also, thank you for participating in, if you participated or watching the videos, for hashtag Sherry and Susan's Crafty Collab. Check out all the participants because they have some great, awesome ideas. Check out Susan's channel, and Susan and I will be coming up with some more fun crafty collabs, so stay tuned for those. And I want to say I appreciate everyone's well wishes for me to get well. I'm feeling so much better. I got my energy back. My congestion is, relieving. So yeah, I'm almost better. I'm like, I don't know, I want to say 80%, and I just got to get rid of this congestion so my voice is back to normal, and a little bit of a cough. But I never had, you know what? I took a test and it was negative, so never had that. Just a bad cold that I picked up probably when I was in Florida. So thanks for watching today, guys. I appreciate it, and happy crafting. Have a great day.